Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.